And I'm wondering if you can walk us through a, a risk management use case, drill down
Sure.
into specifics.
Yeah, absolutely. And so I've recently also just completed with our team a project that we worked on for about 11 months using all of the self-compliant Atlassian tooling for compliance and generated their DHF documents with that. So my team has lived and breathed and used and done this successfully in this tooling. So it's from that experience that I can speak. It's not just theoretical or how we might do something. Like we've delivered products this way. And one of the things that we do specifically with the risk management tooling and the tooling that SoftComply provides right into Jira is we're able to manage our risks in Jira right alongside of requirements. We're able to work on those in an iterative fashion. We integrate those risk activities into our agile cadence. So as we're doing our agile activities, like doing backlog refinement and looking at the stories together as a team, we're also looking at those stories with risk together as a team. And when we identify those items, we can create them right there in Jira and link them together and do that in a space where we've got our quality system engineers really embedded as part of our software team to keep a finger on the pulse of the activities that are happening there and add that sort of quality and regulatory lens to all the activities that the team is doing, participating in those things like backlog refinement and kind of doing their own agile ceremony of risk refinement and doing that directly in Jira in the risk management tooling. And that gives really great visibility to our teams and helping them think with that risk-based mindset. That's one of the big things that we push in anything that we do is everything has to be risk-based. And when we approach everything from that risk-based lens, we can do things quickly and get ahead of those risks or talk about mitigations early so that we can move faster. And it allows us to do basically a risk management sort of backlog sort of process where we look at the risk in the product and apply the next steps to that, right? Do we have a new requirements come in? We need to assess it for risk. We can assess that new item to our risk backlog in Jira, look at that together as a team, add notes on it together, move it through a workflow to, say that we're ready to have this risk analyzed, capture that information together, and then be able to do dynamic reporting on those risks to see, hey, we've still got some unmitigated risk out there. We need additional mitigations to bring this down to an acceptable level. And we're doing that right in the tools that the team is already using. When the team thinks up a mitigation, we can create an item for it right there, as opposed to like writing an idea in a spreadsheet and then needing to take it to some other information. And then we've already, by working right there in that tool, done all of our traceability for, hey, this item initiates this risk, this item mitigates this risk, this test is going to verify that we have mitigated that risk appropriately.
The I